qualifying. I'm feeling strong. I did some laps with the car, free practice. We had no difficulties. I think I'm back. You know, it's a twisty circuit, but everything felt well. A lot of public, especially for Norbert Michelitz. The crowd here always very enthusiastic. No, I think there are some good possibilities. 5, 6, 7, 8 is possible, and then I'd rather be 8 than 5. But you know, you can't calculate it. You're just pushing as hard as you can.
3, 2, 1. We are P12 at the moment, so we need to go out. P9 at the moment, P9.
Just too much understeer in the low speed, especially T12 and T13.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Front tires.
We try to send you out, but it's really a close call. At the moment you are P6. Okay, 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but you have you need to push a little. No problem, you can do it by 20 seconds. P8, so we maintain the second row.
Tom, instead of the expected shakedown during qualifying, it was serious business.
Yeah, well, that's what we're here for. Huh? Global Motorsport did a brilliant job for the car. The car was fast, the car was good. I was able to play with the car. I was confident with the car. Maybe I was not 100% on the limit, but 99.9. Then they told me you're P6. I said, oh, I don't want to be P6. I'd rather be P8, 9 or 10. And finally we're P8. And in my second outing, Pietro said, abort, go off throttle, because P8 is good enough. Otherwise you improve. So no, I'm happy, I'm very confident. You know, I'm back. It's like my first race, but at least I can compete.
Don't forget to put a thumbs up, so like us at the button below or share it with your friends. And don't forget to check one of my other social media channels, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, or Facebook.